While we believe that there is no one secret to building and running a business, there are a few traits that all successful contractors have in common. Effective communication skills. As a business owner, you will find yourself in constant contact with employees, subcontractors, and customers. Therefore, it is important that you understand how to communicate with each party effectively. Adaptability and flexibility. As a local service provider, you must continue to exceed expectations. Remaining adaptable and flexible throughout projects will help you meet customers' needs on time, every time. Be creative. It is your job to get to know the client and create a plan that matches their personality. This often requires thinking outside the box to create a masterpiece for your customer. Attracting and keeping talent. On top of creating a positive environment, it is important to offer additional lifestyle benefits. Perks such as family leave, reasonable paid time off, and comprehensive insurance packages should all be implemented to help attract and keep talent. Humility. Bumps in the road such as accidents, delays, and mistakes are part of this industry, and a contractor must know when to admit fault, take responsibility, and to admit those mistakes.